do this. This is the Prevost Millennium H345 double slide RV. Come check this out. This is a $2.4 million RV. Oh my gosh. So
holy smackaroonies.
We had to take our shoes off to come in here. We're only allowed one person in here at a time, or one couple at a time. So
wow.
Let's enjoy this moment.
That smells so terrific.
It smells like
$1 million. No, $2 million.
I don't even know where to start. Okay,
well,
wow. Just oh, it's beautiful. So yes, it's got a big price tag, but you can see that they have spent the money wisely. There's a sound bar up there. It looks like there's a TV that drops down. Look at the luxurious finishings. The wave on the back. There's nothing cheaply done in here. You have this beautiful leather chair. Oh, that's nice. Coming into the kitchen area, you have this beautiful design up here, glass cabinets, and then the finish, it's very sleek and shiny, and and there's automatic LED lights that come in. Look at the curve to the cabinets. That's something you just don't see in a regular RV. The entire unit is curved, so it's a very custom piece. Nice sink, of course. You've got the nice heavy-duty countertops. Up here you have your convection microwave, and this comes, let's see.
You can hide it.
You can hide it away if you don't want to see it.
Look at the coffee pot built in.
Oh, isn't that Jason's dream to have a built-in coffee pot?
It is my dream.
And look at this backsplash.
Beautiful, beautiful textured backsplash.
Gorgeous. Double induction cooktop. Just, that is a quality. Look at the inside of the drawers.
Yes, yeah, you can definitely.
That is quality right there.
Very nice quality.
That is, and then the curved surfaces, it's just beautiful. And then you have the L-shaped dinette here. And look in this glass case. Crystal decanters. Little touches. Slide out pantry. Ooh, and look.
The refrigerator blends with all the cabinetry.
It does.
Very beautiful.
That is gorgeous. And of course, it's a beautiful refrigerator.
But they have actual bottled water in that one.
They do. All right. Oh man, everything is so sleek. All right, coming in here. This is your real pantry. So that was just for your bar. Here is your good pantry. And it has the push lock, so you push them in and they lock.
Got let's check out the bathroom.
Washer dryer.
In the hallway here.
Mm-hmm.
Big washer and dryer too.
Yeah. All right, and then coming into the bedroom, just tons of closet space. Closets over here. You have a pull out for long coats. A coat closet. I mean, have you ever seen a coat closet in an RV before? 2.4 million.
When you pay 2.4 million for a coach, you get a coat closet.
You do. Wow.
Look at the size. I mean, holy cow. You could hide a body in there.
You could hide a small child in there. Okay, on this side, another closet. Just, oh, and it's got cedar. You can smell the cedar.
You sure can.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay, big king bed. Of course, luxurious. Everything in here. Ooh, look at that ceiling fan. I like that.
It's really neat.
The mirrored ceiling. Okay, so across from the bed is more storage and a nice TV with a soundbar above. This is not just a toilet.
It's a bidet.
It's a bidet with a heated seat.
Yes.
It's special.
Well, $2.4 million, it ought to be.
Of course. Lots of storage. Lots of storage. I mean, a bathroom like this has got nice lots of storage. And that shower's killer. Okay, last thing I wanted to say is about the floor. Number one, the floor is beautiful. I love the finish that they have on this floor, but secondly, it's heated.
It is nice and warm, folks.
Yeah, this is beautiful. I mean, if you've got the kind of money that you can spend on this, I mean, it's top-notch quality. It's beautifully constructed. I love all the curves. I love the finishings. It's not gaudy at all. I think it's very well done. It's beautiful. All right, so we showed you a $2.4 million coach. This is another Prevost, and it's a $2.7 million coach. Look at this invoice. So this is a marathon coach, M Unlimited, and it starts out at $739,000. But once they add all of the features to it, it brings the total price to over $2.7 million.
Voila!
Wow, I mean, what else can you say other than wow? So, number one, they've got the air kicking in here, which is very nice.
Well,
because
yeah,
it's hot
I bet
in
you they
Florida.
got bottled water in the refrigerator too.
I bet they do. So coming in here, look at the ceiling first. Let's start with the ceiling and the floor, just to really take in this unit. So lighted, mirrored ceiling. It's got a rug. I've never seen a rug in an RV. And then these beautiful hardwood floors. which of course are heated. And then just do a 360 spin in this living area here. But looking at the kitchen, again, you've got that curved surface, which just makes it just a little something extra having that curve. Look at the finishes on the knobs. Oh, and look at the slant to the drawers because of the shape of this thing. Convection microwave here. Induction cooktop. Again, you can close off the microwave if you don't want to see it. Nice cabinets. Look, the cabinets even have shelf liners, like nice leather shelf liners.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Yeah.
That's quality shelf lining right there.
Yeah, all the way
Textured.
through. And then coming over here, just looking at these cabinets. Good quality cabinets. And again, completely lined. This lining is that ultra leather. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and you've got your double sink. And look, this is a solid surface, so the solid surface here becomes part of the sink.
Yeah, it's not like a stainless steel. It's the same. The surface that's here is the same surface that is in the sink, you guys.
Okay, of course, gorgeous faucets as well. And it even comes with artwork, and I know that's Alaska or Canada one.
Look at that table.
It looks like it has gold flecks in.
Really
There's like
pretty.
glass, and then below it is like gold flecks. It's really pretty. Okay, and here's the pantry again with the slide outs. That is fabulous.
You would never know that's a fridge.
I didn't know. I thought this was a cabinet. I really thought this was a cabinet.
Totally
and opened it. It's a fridge.
Blends in with the cabinetry.
Oh, wow. Wow, just wow. Half bath. All right, and welcome to the bedroom area. So this bed has one of the tilt-up beds, which again, we like this because it, number one, allows you to sit up in bed, and number two, gives you more walking space in the bedroom whenever you're not sleeping. And I've never seen a full-size sofa in the bedroom. How smart is this? You can just hang out in here. It gives you a place to sit down while you're getting dressed. Beautiful big TV up here. Storage, 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 storage. Everywhere are cabinets. Come check out this bathroom. Gorgeous countertops, lovely floors, and I love these sinks. They're deep sinks, and they've got that glass. It looks like glass inside. It's not glass, but it looks like glass. Gorgeous faucets. Full mirror.
That backsplash is beautiful.
Oh, it is. And you have a full mirror up here, which are cabinets as well.
Everything is quality. You can tell. Cabinets. Everything is well made. It's top-notch quality stuff you would put in a brand new, beautiful, upscale home.
Absolutely. Back here you have more closet space. So a huge bar back here for your closet, and then
Hamper.
a hamper. How just smart is that? And I know this is a fancy toilet, but I don't know exactly what it is.
Is it a bidet?
It's not a bidet, but it's a fancy toilet.
It's probably got a heated seat.
Yeah, I'm sure it does.
But we don't know for sure.
It's a temperature controlled seat, so it's definitely heated. And look at
Beautiful
the shower. So yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful bus. Can you believe these buses? $2+ million buses. Unbelievable. it was just so cool to be able to see them, to be able to walk through them. I know this is something that we could never afford, most people could never afford, but what did you think? Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you thought about these.
We had fun touring through them. It was something unbelievable. These things are just fabulous. But also, guys, if you're new to our channel and you've never seen us before, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow along on all our adventures. We post videos weekly. If you like what we're doing, follow along with us.
Till next time.
See you later.
Bye.